Okay, my name is John Carlton, and I'm going to introduce a good friend of mine who's going to be the next speaker. Just wanted to say something very brief. I first met Bond Halbert over 30 years ago. He was an arrogant, snot-nosed teenager, and I liked him immediately. We became very good friends and road dogs with Gary Halbert for multiple harrowing and wonderful and awful adventures, the full gamut. He's grown into a fine young man. I even call him up occasionally for advice. He understands the brilliance that Gary Halbert brought to the world from the inside. He grew up with Gary, and Gary brought him along even as a kid to marketing meetings and consultations, and nobody asked what the kid was doing there, but the kid was soaking it all up, and he's carrying on the tradition now. So give it up for Bond Halbert.
Okay, thanks for saying those nice things about me, John, because the title of my speech is better than John Carlton. All right.